Hi guys, today I will be showing you all of these toys that I bought from the entertainer in town. So first, there's this cute mini Jack Russell, and I really liked it because he's got glittery blue eyes, and he's got blue ears. And I really liked it because it's got like a petite nose, and it's got like a nice little white furry moustache and eyebrow. Okay, so, and according to this, Teeny Toys, he is called Jack, and his birthday is on July the 1st. Our next door neighbour, her daughter, her birthday is actually on July the 1st as well. So next thing, we've got this squishy blue thing in the jig, I don't know what it's called. And it's like blue and glittery, and it's got like a little tarantula in. Next one is my favourite. It's red and glittery. You can see the glitter there. There. And it's got like skulls in, I believe. I mean, I hope they are skulls. Okay, so next thing we've got a tangle. I love these things. They're like my favourite. And I like tangles because they're really cute and they're fun. And it's even got like the little tangle sign there. But I love it because it's not my favourite colour, but I still like the colour. And I mean, it's really fiddly when like you're getting distracted or something. And you can just like use this like whenever, because like, I mean, it's your toy now, but like I'm just trying to put this together. There we go. It's in like, and the tangles like on the second one. There we go. Right, so the next one is next one is this kinetic sand, and like it floats. But yeah, and it's green. Can I open this one just a little bit and then wrap it back up?
No, because once it's open, how it's open.
I know, but it doesn't dry.
No, but it's still open. I don't want you to.
And I'm not going to open this one, but there's a slippery slime horrible histories kit.
You can show them. Just don't open it.
I don't mean horrible histories. I mean horrible science, because I watch so much of it. And like you can make this slippery mould a slithery glow worm. There's already glow in the dark slime in there. There's your own like pot, and then like there's the fat pot. You can make a lot. Can I open this one a little bit or not? Just that one.
Open it to what? What to do?
Like just to show them a little bit.
Right. Do it very carefully.
I've got scissors. And this one is like a frozen one, and it's got like white glittery sand with like cute white little, I don't know if it's gems or blue glittery sand, I'm not very sure, but I love it. I really don't know how to open it. Oh, there we go. Here we go. You have to cut it here as well. Life's all about cutting. I can't even. It's really. It's really hard. Yeah! So, like, it's a lot of, like, white glittery sand. Oh, I've got it. And, like, this is, like, oh, it's so cute. Look how tiny it is. And, like, these cute little white snowman molds. No, that's just on the advertiser. Fake! It says they've got blue glitter eyes. They haven't. I'm going to snip a tiny bit off like it's an icing bag to show you a little bit of it. So I'm just going to squeeze it here out the packet. Oh, it feels really good. It feels really nice.
Palindrome.
Are they both examples of palindromes?
No. Yeah, it is, because it says backwards.
Okay, Mum. Don't resist. But like, we're just getting this out at the moment, a little bit by bit. I'm only going to get out that much. There we go. I'm only going to get out that much. But it looks like really cute. Feels really nice. I'm going to actually open this mould to do a little bit of the mould, see if it looks really cute. Wait, what? Mum, which one should I do? Olaf or the little cute one?
Oh, hold on. Whoa, what are you doing?
I've only opened a tiny bit of it.
That's what
I know, I'm going to wrap it back up.
That's what I said I didn't want doing.
But there's this one. Oh, it looks so cute. I'm going to open the next thing. I'll be right back. Okay, I've finished shutting that way. And no, cat. Sorry, I hit my cat.
Sorry.
But this next thing, I'm not going to open this one, but like it's 30 quicksand colours, and yeah, there's basically a lot of colours, and like glitter and neon sands included. It's 10 glitter sands, 10 neon sands, and another 10 glitter sands. A lot of glitter sands in here. But yeah, that concludes all for this video, guys. Bye!